Hi team, welcome to the another episode of TypeScript Zero to Hero series. In this video, we are mainly talk about non-primitive types in TypeScript. So first off, we need to see what are the non-primitive types mainly we are used in TypeScript. Basically, we can say we are using object arrays and tuples as non-primitive uh, types in TypeScript. There are so more, but in this video, we are going to mainly talk about these three non-primitive types. Okay, let's see object first. In object, we are storing data as a key value pairs. So let's see how it works with an example. I'm creating a table called person, and uh, I'm adding two parameters for him. The person has a name. It's a string, and he has a age. It's a number. Okay. Then I can say this person's name is John and age is 30. Actually, this uh, non-primitive type object is used to represent any non-primitive JavaScript values when we are coding. Okay, let's see another example of that. I'm creating another called student, and he has a name. It's string, and his grade is a number, and I can say it like that. Okay. Apart from that, we can make optional some parameter values. It means if we pass that parameter value, it working fine. If that parameter is an optional one, if we are not pass the value for that optional parameters, it also working fine. So how can we make it optional? It's easy, team. We need to add a question mark for that parameter, and let's see, I'm removing that value of grade. See, it's working fine. See, that's how we can make the parameter values optional using this. Okay, then we are moving to talk about arrays. If we need to store multiple values of a specific type, we can use arrays. For an example, if we need to store set of numbers, I can create a number type array and add all the numbers in here. If we need to create a multiple set of values in string, so I create a array of string and add multiple values in here. So from the use of those arrays in TypeScript, we can efficiently manage the ordered collection of release data. Okay, then we move into tuples. Mainly, we are using those tuples to manage collections of values that have fixed length, it means it's a fixed length array with fixed type for each position with non-data types. Okay, okay, non-data types. Let's see how it works. Let's see how it works. I'm creating a user, and that user has a ID, so has a ID and has a name. Okay, then so likewise, it's a fixed length array. It means only one set of data we can pass to that tuple. Okay, team. And we need to know the data type as well. Not only in this way, we can use those tuples for the functions as well. Let's see an example. I'm creating a function and I'm naming it as get coordinates. And I make that tuple type as both as numbers, fixed tuple, and I'm returning its value as 10 and 20. Then I'm calling uh, this yeah, here, and I'm trying to access those two values like this way. It's actually it's a type of array as well. Fixed length array only can contain single set of data. So let's see how it works. I'm hitting my terminal. Yes, see, it prints the 0th element, it have 10, and first element it have 20. So that's how those object, array, and tuples are working. In next video, we are going to talk about how to make functions as types. See you in there.